I am Tammaya Shetty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Vijay College, Mulki. My topic is Domestic Chemicals, Session 13, Unit 2, First BSc Elective. My content is cleansing agent, soap and detergents, dishwashers, drain cleaners. Domestic chemical introduction. Chemicals are part of our routine daily life. From morning till evening, around the clock, we use chemicals in different forms like soaps, preservatives, hasteners, carbohydrates, proteins, medicines, etc. Cleansing agent. These are substances used to remove stains, dust, bad smells, dirt, and clutter from surfaces. These are the chemicals we use to decrease the surface tension on planes so that water can properly do its job. Types of cleansing agents: soap and detergents. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. Preparation of soap. Soaps are generally prepared by boiling oil or fat with concentrated alkali solution. This is called saponification. Soaps separate out on the top as a semi-solid. The dissolved soap in the mother liquor is separated out by adding common salt. The separated soap is mixed with color, perfumes, pillars, and transferred into molds. The hardened to form solid mass. Glycerol present in the reaction is recovered by fractional distillation. Fillers are substance added to soap to impart extra quality. Types of soaps: hard soaps, soft soaps. If alkali is sodium hydroxide, the resultant soap is sodium salts of fatty acids. So these are called hard soaps and are less water soluble than soft soaps. Soft soaps, if the alkali is potassium hydroxide, so the resultant soap is soft soap. For example, Dove, Lux, Dettol are soft soaps. Potassium soaps are the soft soaps. They are more soluble in water, hence widely used as liquid soaps and shampoos. Example, Santur, Dettol, etc. Action of soap on dirt. The molecular structure of soap is made up of long chains of molecules. At one end, we have the hydrophilic end made of the hydrocarbon chain, the tail. These molecules repel water and attach itself to the oils and the grease. Then at the other end of the chain is the water-loving or hydrophilic chain made up of anionic molecules. When a dirty cloth having oily spot is put in water containing dissolved soap, the oil is not dissolved in water. The soap molecules are salts of sodium or potassium of long chain carboxylic acids. The acid end of the soap is hydrophilic, water loving, and gets dissolved in water, and the carbon chain dissolved in oil. Soap molecules form a miscellaneous structure in which one end of the soap molecule is attached to the oil droplet and the other end towards the water. The formation of soap micelle thus removes oil particles from the structure and the surface is cleaned. Cleaning action of soap and detergents. Other classification of soaps: toilet soaps, It is prepared by using higher quality of oils and fatty acids to give them better quality and does not contain excess of alkali. Medicated soup. Medicated soups contain antiseptic or medicinal components as an added ingredients to help kill germs from the surface along with the dirt and dust. Example, bithionol, etc. Floating soups, lighter soups. Floating soups are prepared by introducing tiny air bubbles into the soups before hardening them in the molds. Transparent soups. These are prepared by dissolving the soap in the ethanol and then evaporating the alcohol. Shaving soups. Shaving soups are prepared by adding glycerol and rosin. Glycerol is added to keep soap from drying. Rosin is added to help the soap lather. Laundry soaps. Laundry soaps contain sodium salts of fatty acids. Fillers like sodium resonate of lather in sodium silicate, sodium carbonate till removes the hardness of water are added. Liquid soap. It is potassium salts of fatty acids along with key additional ingredients like sodium benzoate, benzoic acid, etc. Detergents. Synthets. Detergents are synthets, cleansing agents similar to soaps but does not contain soap and their chemical structure is completely different from soap. Synthetic detergents are generally sodium salts of long chain, benzene sulfonic acid, or sodium salts of long chain, alkali hydrogen sulfate. Detergents are made both the powder and liquid form. Example, Surf Excel. Usefulness of detergents. So detergents form leather even with the hard water because they do not form insoluble calcium and magnesium salts. They can work in normal water as well as hard water. They do not form any scum in hard water. Some detergents are even able to work in ice cold water. Detergents do not leave a residue or film after washing, hence have a place in laundry. Classification of synthetic detergent. Anionic detergents, cationic detergents. Cationic detergents also have bacterial properties. They are also used in air conditioners. Cationic detergents tend to be expensive and so they do not have many industrial uses. Non-ionic detergents. Non-ionic detergents do not have any ions in their molecules, so they are uncharged. They are obtained by the reaction between stearic acid and polyethylene glycol. Branched hydrocarbon, part of a detergent, is not easily decomposed by the bacteria. Hence, detergents not easily biodegradable. Hence, detergents containing unbranched alkyl chains. The difference between soaps and detergents. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of a long chain carboxylic acids, whereas detergents are ammonium or sulfurated salts or long chain carboxylic acids. Soap cannot form leather with hard water, but detergent can form leather with hard water as well as soft water. Soaps are biodegradable and can be break into simpler substances, but detergents are non-biodegradable and cannot break into simpler substances. Soap are mild cleaning agents, but detergents are strong cleansing agents. Dishwashers. Dishwashers are detergents in the form of gel, liquid, or powder used for cleaning dishes, including spoons and glass, either manually or in a dishwashers. Dishwashers are called scoring powders. They contain abrasive in addition to soap. Abrasive like borax, fine sand powder, provide the roughness to clean the dishes, sodium carbonate, sodium phosphate, etc. Constituent of dishwashers. Dishwashing detergents contain anti-foaming agents to aid washings, perfumes, additive to slow down the removal of glaze and patterns from glazed ceramics, gelling agents, sand. Simple dishwashers detergents may contain sand or sand-like material which may harm the dishes and the dishwasher. Rinse aid. A rinse aid contains surfactants and helps to prevent droplet formation so that water drains from the surfaces in thin sheets rather than forming droplets. It prevents spotting on glassware and improving drying performance. Drain cleaners. So it is a chemical product that unblocks sewage pipes or clogged water wastewater drains like clogged signal drain such as a sink, toilet, tub or shower drain. For example, Drano Max Gel, drain cleaner, etc. Acidic drain cleaners. It is commonly contain a high concentration of H2SO4 or HCl in liquid form. Acid hydrolysis is a process of breaking down larger molecules into smaller molecules by adding acid and water to a substance. Caustic drain cleaners. It contains sodium hydroxide. They tend to come in a solid form. Caustic drain cleaners begin to work when aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide and water to produce hydrogen gas. The gas causes a fizzing, a bubbling reaction which helps to dislodge and break up fats and grease. Oxidizing drain cleaners. Oxidizing drain cleaners contain chemicals such as sodium hypochlorite, bleach, hydrogen peroxide, and nitrates. They work by a process of oxidation. Oxidizing drain cleaners are found useful in household cleaning. Bleaching powder. Calcium hypochlorite with the chemical formula CaClO twice is commonly referred as bleaching powder. It is an ionic compound that is made up of calcium and two hypochlorite anions. Chemical property. It is a white powder that decomposes on contact with water and has the characteristic odor of gaseous chlorine. Bleaching powder acts as a strong base since it readily accepts H plus ion. When dissolved water, the hypochlorite anion accepts a proton from water liberating an OH minus ion. Bleaching powder is also a powerful oxidizing agent since it can readily accept an electron. Calcium hypochlorite reacts with hydrochloric acid, yielding calcium chloride, water, and chlorine gas. Industrial production of calcium hypochlorite. On industrial scale, calcium hypochlorite is usually produced from the chemical reaction between gaseous chlorine and calcium hydroxide. The chemical reaction between calcium hydroxide and chlorine gas yields calcium hypochlorite, calcium chloride and water as the products. Uses of calcium hypochlorite used in conversion of wastewater to potable water, used in swimming pools to sanitize the water body and destroy the germs present in it. The compound can be used to disinfect both wastewater. It is a good oxidizing agent. This compound is useful in the field of organic chemistry. Thank you one and all.